Treadsafe ice melt granule is an exothermic product. That basically means that when it makes contact with a cold surface such as ice, snow or whatever, it immediately creates its own temperature around the particular surface that it lands on. So that actually is how the product actually works. This is an area of concrete and it's very, very slippy, and just to prove the point, you can actually see the product is basically a granule. As you can see, my feet are actually slipping around it. So all one does is one just simply sprinkles the product around the area. You will note now that I can't slip. There's just no way, the minute that goes on there, it stops the element of the slip. The product comes in two types of packaging. It comes in a 12.5 kilo tub for commercial owners, and it comes in a 4.5 kg tub, which was really brought on by demand from domestic homeowners who maybe just wanted to have an area that was safe, maybe for someone elderly who's maybe popping out to the bin not once or twice or whatever, and basically it's just a matter of sprinkling that particular product onto the surface, which makes it totally safe for people of that age group. The main benefits of the Treadsafe product or ice melt granule is obviously to guard against slips and falls, and of course in the type of environment where we now live in, where visiting clients or visiting premises, etc., obviously there's a duty of care and responsibility there once a person steps onto your property or whatever. The product is fast acting, surface safe, and of course it's heat producing. Some of the main benefits of this particular product is that obviously it works at lower temperatures as well. Most particular products work maybe around about -4 to -7. This particular product actually works up to -40, so we're well within that capability of high minus temperatures. It also lasts longer than the ordinary conventional product that you might find in a supermarket or whatever. The product obviously lasts longer before there's actually a refreeze factor in that or whatever. It's totally safe with animals and pets, so pet owners and obviously children and things like that. It's all totally safe in that respect as well. This is a very, very important factor, is that there is absolutely no damage whatsoever to concrete or tarmac. Now last year, where we had temperatures of -18 to -22, the amount of damage that was done around people's properties was absolutely phenomenal, where cheaper type salts that are on the market were used, and of course they cut the absolute tripe out of cement, etc. The other good thing is, if there's any percentage of this tracked in on your feet as well, there's absolutely no damage to carpets, there's no damage to marble, there's no damage to any floor surfaces or seals. So basically, to recap, Treadsafe, which is our ice melt granule, is available anywhere in the United Kingdom, it's available anywhere in Northern Ireland, it's available anywhere in Southern Ireland. We can dispatch basically within either a next day delivery or whatever the case might be. If we can be of any help to you, just lift the phone and give us a call.